thought I'd talk a little bit about how we are going to heat this project. Our trade partner for the heating side of things on this project is R&B Plumbing and Heating. Phenomenal people, do great work, and we've been working with them for years. What we have here is actually in-floor radiant heat. So traditionally you might be used to seeing radiant floors on top of the subfloor and then concrete on top of that. Nothing wrong with that, works like a hot damn. This is an alternative to that and works best obviously in a renovation sort of application. So what will happen is hot water will flow through these orange pipes in the ceiling above me here, and we have these metal heat distribution plates screwed over top of those, and what that will do is help to reduce any sort of hot spots on the floor and help the heated floors be more effective from beneath. Underneath this, there's going to be, I think, 5 or 6 inches of insulation, and then we do resilient channel below that and drywall below that. So it'll be warm, quiet, and soundproof, or very close to soundproof anyways. So again, like if you have a home and you would like to have radiant floors, but you don't have concrete and you're thinking, hey, I'd like to look at doing a boiler system and having radiant floors, this is an option for you. You can do it. It's not particularly expensive, and it works awesome. We've done it on many projects in the past, and those clients are all thrilled with the results. So there you go. Now you know. Thanks for watching.